Tonight the wind blows in another direction. I change my sense of self-perception, and the birds fly north as it gets colder. My body grows young as I get older. The sun reflects the light of the moon. It's 3 p.m. and morning soon. The water's dry, my heart it aches to still its thirst of sand. Backwards now, the time goes by. My mind, it craves that I retract my hand. The day the laws of my nature changed, the world had to adapt. I open the door behind me as I leave, my promises unkept. And night for night I stay awake, I dream during the days. I stumble because I watch too closely, the ground attracts my gaze. Tonight the wind blows in another direction. I change my sense of self-perception, and I pretend not to see how my world adapts to me. How colorful the clouds, and how dark and trist the sun. My walls are soft, my pillow sharp. Gravity pulls me up to the air. My dreams are dumb, are ivy in my heart. Can you hear my utter despair? I know myself, I'm a stranger who I have yet to meet. I know about the earth that lies so foreign in front of me, because the day the laws of my nature changed, the world had to adapt. Like you, I don't quite understand, but I came to accept that now the sun spins around the world, that a kiss now brings me harm, that I so crave to love and hold, that turn cold what once was warm.